let everything happen with awareness. As you stand, let it happen with awareness. And just notice the weight of your body. With your eyes open, where do you find the weight the most? Is it on the heels, or do you find it more onto the toes? Just notice that. And let us bring in some balance over here. So let your weight just come onto the toes, just come a little forward. Coming forward, come on the toes. Let's go a little back and let's come onto the heels. As the body gets into balance, the mind also starts getting into balance. So let's close our eyes and do this. So close our eyes and bring in the weight on the toes. Feeling it coming on the toes. Enjoying the simple act of awareness and smilingly letting it come back onto the heel and enjoying that act of awareness too, and slowly letting the weight completely balance out on the front and back so that it's exactly in the center, as far as possible, right in the center of the foot. And if your knees are straight and locked, you may want to just bring them slowly forward a little bit, just a centimeter or two, so that there's relaxation in your lower back. So take your knees back and straight and bring them slightly forward and let them be easy. Let your tummy be tucked in as much as you can comfortably. And let your rib cage be lifted up with your neck straightened out and chin slightly lifted up and your armpits opened up. Let your hands hang by the side of your body with your fingers very easy, very relaxed, easily curled in. And align yourself from the center of your feet through the knees, through the heart, to the top of your head, to the top, absolute top of your head. And as you do that, connect to all the sounds, not labeling any sound as good or bad, just observing and taking a deep breath. Out from the mouth we go. And slowly getting focused on the right side, right hand, right arm, right elbow, forearm, wrist, fingers, fingertips. Fully aware of the right side. We'll be doing the first warm-up practice called the energy shake, which will help energy movement inside and outside your body and also stuck up blood to move towards the heart, called the lymph. So let us begin with the movement of our fingers and only the fingers. Just be aware of your fingers and move the fingers and gently shake your wrist and gently shake your forearm muscles, letting the movement go up into the elbow, just the right side, and letting the movement go up into the arm muscle, each and every arm muscle, letting it go right into the shoulder, letting the entire right hand from the fingers up to the shoulder move and shake and vibrate at a very fast rate as much as you can, opening your eyes and moving it faster, taking the right hand up, open your eyes please, and just take it down and say ha, he, hu. Okay, with your eyes open and your body lifted up, just observe how the right hand feels, and let's move with speed. Move the fingers of the left hand and the wrist and the forearm muscle and the arm muscle and the entire left shoulder, faster, quicker, both the hands, with hands going up and say oh, eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed. Observing the change in your breath if any. Observing the change in heartbeat if any. Observing the change in the body temperature, perspiration, tingling in the hands, lightness, heaviness, allowing the energy to move on its own between the left and the right, from the fingertips up to the shoulder, from the right shoulder down to the fingers. Deep breath in, please. Open eyes. Let your weight come on to your left leg. So whenever you move your weight on the left leg, lift up your right leg and just move the toes a bit and the ankle a bit and the calf muscles and the thigh group of muscles, and let the wonder grow. What's happening? I've come here for diabetes, not checking my body. It's important to check the body. Come on. Right leg completely up to the thigh muscles, please. Faster, eyes open, harder, and faster and harder, and release. Other leg, please. Toes, ankle, calf, thigh, big thigh group of muscles. Inside, outside, deep breath. And release. Okay. Stabilize. Let the feet plonk onto the ground at a distance, okay? Stand tall, stand powerful. We kind of spend so much time in the mind that you kind of stop spending time inside the body. The healing is happening a lot in the energy circuits in the body. So, feet nicely plonked, knees relaxed, tummy in, body lifted up, neck in line, chin inside, armpits opened up, pits slightly opened up, letting the movement happen. Eyes closed just a bit. Remembering the faces of the mentors, the volunteers, their stories, connecting with the possibility of coming onto the stage after 3 months. Our results are quite rapid. In 3 months' time, we have 70% people going off tablets and insulin, and this has been repeated in many batches. Every batch of hundreds. So just in case, from your heart, if you were to be on stage after 3 months, how would it feel like? What would your expressions be like? Words be like? Deep breath out from the mouth. A lot of jamming of energy, of stuff is around our spine. Many of us have aches and pains and stuck up energies in the spine. So we're just going to do a little funny thing. Looks funny but very scientifically important. And we shake our lower spine. So just shake your lower spine and your mid spine and your upper spine and neck. And if you're not sure how to do it, you can open your eyes. Start shaking with your knees. Just shake with your knees and the hands and the spine, the lower back and the mid spine and the neck and the mouth, and let the tongue waggle a bit. Say, okay, let's begin with the knees again. Do it with play with your knees and your back, and close your eyes and do as if not because I'm asking you to do it, because you want to do it yourself. Shaking your lower back, mid back, upper back, neck, mouth open, tongue waggling. Okay, hands rubbing. Dropping. Now releasing. Keeping the palms a little bit away, with the center of the palms facing each other. Bringing them slowly towards each other. Not letting them touch each other. Just allowing both the palms to come 2 or 3 inches apart. A little together, a little away. And trying a gentle circular movement. The subtle, slow circular movement, very important. Center of the palms are facing each other. And there is a gentle, subtle, soft circular movement of the palms. Maybe your palms going in and out. Being very aware of all that which is happening between the fingers and the palm. Continuing to breathe. Some of you may start noticing some pressure or pull. Just observe and rejoice. Between the palms, behind the palms, inside the palms, inside the forearms, inside the arms and shoulder, to the top of your head, going down into the heart, to the feet, to the base of your spine, and to the soles of your feet, keeping your weight perfectly balanced, connecting to the flow of life, energy, vibrations, sensations, heaviness, lightness, all that which is inside our system as it is. Taking a deep breath and taking both the hands up, letting them touch both the sides of our heads, letting the energy settle down, letting the palms just come down and press the ears and rub your face. And hands going up again in the air. Saturday morning. Everyone say Saturday morning. Saturday morning. Lovely morning. Lovely morning. Oh. Oh.